Emma! Clean up!
But Uncle, I need a kitchen to put these away.
Okay, I'll be back. Hi! Do you have a kitchen?
We got one over here and one over there.
Down.
Only $50.
That's half of my savings!
Got a fridge. It's got a phone.
A phone?
It's got a microwave.
Take my money! Emma's gonna love this! Ta-da! Awesome! Now you can take all the dirty dishes and clean it in the sink with the cold water and the hot water.
Okay, Uncle.
Awesome, I'll see you later. Bye!
This is really fun.
Emma!
Oh, I need a washing machine so I can wash clothes.
Good point. I'll be back. Hey!
Hey.
Do you have a washing machine?
Yeah, right here. Wow. It's another $50.
Another $50?
This is the latest model. It's got all the greatest features.
Features? Here we go!
Okay, yeah.
Check it out, Emma. It has features.
Wow, it's really nice, Uncle.
Totally worth spending all my savings, so please, clean up.
Of course, Uncle.
Thank you, I'll see you later.
Bye. This is more fun. This is so fun. Uh-oh.
Time out. Time's up, Emma. Take a seat, and I'm gonna tell you a story when I was just a little uncle. Way back then.
Sam, I need to wash those dishes.
So what, Grandma?
Can you go fetch some water by the river?
Okay, Grandma. Have to walk long ways to get water. Finally, I'm here. That's a long way. Here you go, Grandma.
Thank you.
Grandma had to wash dishes by hand every day. Grandma, can I play with Cousin Kay?
Not yet.
Oh, why not?
I need to wash your clothes. Go get me more water.
Sometimes I have to get water twice a day. I wish this was easier. $30 more miles. Here's your water, Grandma.
Thank you.
She also had to wash clothes by hand every day too. Grandma, can I play with Cousin Kay now?
No. Now dry your shirt on the fence.
Okay, Grandma. That's my story.
I'm sorry, Uncle.
That's okay, Emma, as long as you learn from it.
Now I will always clean up. Turn on the cold water and rinse. Now it comes. Okay, time to wash the shirt. Turn on the washing machine and change it to wash.
Good job, Emma.
I'll always keep my room clean.
Wow, good job. Bye.